Good morning. Kalimera. Good morning. Buongiorno. Bonjour. What else? Kalimera. I don't know if you can hear that, but as a really storm is a great storm is gonna come anytime. It's a bit of freezing out here. Oh God. And this is the main road to the suburb that I'm living. It's a small suburb. It has 15,000 people. It's a small community here. You know, kinda everybody knows each other. I was born here, and I left when I was 18 years old because I was engaged when I was 18. And then I had to go to Athens. I live in Thessaloniki now. I had to go to Athens for do some singing and do some work for about 7 years, 6-7 years. So I just came back to Thessaloniki. I just came back to my suburb, my town. This is crazy, man. Black sky, strong wind, and there is sun. Anyway, I'm heading back home now. The wind is getting stronger. Oh God! And there's a small possibility today that me and Anam will go out and book some gigs, because after Saturday's gig, there's nothing more. I mean, no gigs further. So we have to go out, go to some bars, go to some guys that we know, so we can book some gigs more. I don't know if we're gonna go out today. We have to go out today. We'll see about that. And today is junk food day. I'm gonna buy some crisps, some crackers, some chips, some chocolate. I'm gonna buy some crackers, yeah. These are my favorites. Cheesy taste. And I want some more. And What do you say about that? Oh, I'm gonna buy one of these. Bacon flavored crackers. I love that. I love them. I love them. Some of these oregano chips. All right, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I love that. Oh my God. Strawberry. I love that. I was eating a lot of junk food when I was younger. Now I have to keep up a little, but I can't resist one of these, so I'm gonna eat it. This is my balcony of my house. the sky is getting more and more black, and the wind is getting more and more stronger. So it will be a great night for staying home. So I think that me and Adam will go tomorrow for a walk to book some gigs, and I'm gonna stay in to have some junk food night. See that? Mela, good girl, good girl. No, this isn't Mela. This is my carpet. This is Mela. Mela, Mela, Mela. See? Mela, carpet. Mela, carpet. Isn't that awesome? It's just awesome. Mela. Don't play with the stripe. Mela. Oh, Mela. Mela, 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 Mela. She's my carpet dog, or else she's a dog like carpet, with nose, with mouth, and with eyes. Oh God, God, God. I took a nice hot bath. Oh my God, feels great. All that freshness when you take a bath. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna practice some guitar now for the next hour, maybe, possibly more than an hour. Anyway, and after practicing myself to guitar, what am I gonna do? Ta-da! Oh yeah, I'm gonna write some Christmas cards and send some Christmas cards to people that I respect, to some new friends that I've made off YouTube and from other places anyway. And I'm gonna make myself a nice hot cup of tea, mountain tea, but before doing all that, I'm gonna eat my strawberry candy. This is just great. Oh my God. Anyway, see you later, guys. Sleep time. Good night, my friends.